CA Inter EIS SM 1.5 days revision strategy. After your audit paper, you have 45 hours before paper 7 EIS and SM. Out of this, 4 hours are for traveling, 2 hours each on 16th July and 18th July, and 12 hours are for sleep in 2 nights. Leaving 4 hours for other activities, you must study for at least 25 hours. Your schedule from 16th July 7 pm to 18th July 12 pm will be as follows. On 16th July from 7 pm to 9 pm, revise the concepts of automated business processes from short notes and do practice of some important MCQs and descriptive questions in writing. From 9 pm to 9:30 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9:30 pm to 11:30 pm, go through the concepts of e-commerce, m-commerce and emerging technologies from short notes and important MCQs. From 11:30 pm to 12:30 am, cover the concepts of functional level strategies from short notes and practice some questions in writing. From 12:30 am to 6:30 am, sleep well. On 17th July, wake up at 6:30 am and finish financial and accounting systems from short notes. Go through important MCQs and descriptive questions till 8:45 am. From 8:45 am to 9:15 am, get ready and have breakfast. From 9:15 am to 10:45 am, complete the revision of core banking systems from short notes and a few important questions. From 10:45 am to 1 pm, revise dynamics of competitive strategy and corporate level strategies from short notes and important MCQs. Also practice some questions in writing. From 1 pm to 2 pm, have lunch and take some rest. From 2 pm to 4 pm, cover information system and its components from short notes and important questions. From 4 pm to 5:30 pm, revise Introduction to Strategic Management and Strategic Management Process from short notes. Thereafter, do its marked theory questions. From 5:30 pm to 6 pm, eat something and take a small walk. From 6 pm to 7 pm, finish strategy implementation and control from short notes and important MCQs and descriptive questions. From 7 pm to 8:30 pm, revise organization and strategic leadership and business level strategies quickly from short notes and important MCQs. From 8:30 pm to 9 pm, have dinner and take some rest. From 9 pm to 11 pm, go through the latest MTP. From 11 pm to 1 am, go through the latest RTP. From 1 am to 7 am, sleep well. On 18th July, wake up at 7 am and get ready and have breakfast till 8 am. From 8 am to 12 pm, revise all the concepts from short notes or revisionary pocket book. In order to succeed, we must believe that we can. All the best. Watch 1.5 days revision strategy for CA Inter Paper 8 FM and Eco for Finance on 18th July 2021.